In this video, we're going to do another round of spider crawls, doing pattern 1, 4, 2, 3. Again, make sure that you're trying to keep your fingers curled. You don't want to use the front of your finger. You do want to make sure that your finger is right in the middle of the fret. A better spot is even a little bit toward the body of the guitar. The worst spot is toward the head of the guitar. And then also keep your thumb pointed toward the ceiling, not over to the wall. All right, let's get going. Starting off with 60 beats per minute, 2 clicks per note. 1, 2, ready, go. Here is 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, we're at 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Two more, then we're going to switch it up. 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. We're up to 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice work. Now we're going back down to 60 beats per minute, but we're going to do 1 click per note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. And here's 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Ninety beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, up to 100 beats per minute. Just a few more. 1, 2, ready, go. $110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's the last one. 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Congratulations, you made it to the end of yet another video. I guess that means you're getting better? Who'd have thought? See you in the next one.